What defines the next legendary blade? In 2026, it's not just a new edge. It's a revolution in steel, mechanism, and design. We're counting down the 10 knives that will dominate the conversation, from minimalist marvels to indestructible icons. This is your ultimate guide to the future of gear. Number 10. Zero Tolerance 0117. And now, the blade that claims our number one spot doesn't just sit at the top of a list. It feels like it descended from a different tier of engineering altogether. The Zero Tolerance 0117 looks like it was CD designed in a Lockheed Martin Skunk Works. Its angular, faceted lines a direct and breathtaking homage to the world's first stealth aircraft, the F-117 Nighthawk. But this is far more than a piece of sculptural fan service. Every single plane and chamfer on this knife serves a purpose, breaking up its profile not to evade radar, but to provide exceptional ergonomics and a grip that locks into your hand with authoritative security. The performance begins with its 3.3-inch drop-point blade, forged from the super steel that has dominated the conversation, CPM MagnaCut. This isn't just marketing hype. MagnaCut represents a genuine leap in metallurgy, offering a nearly perfect, balanced triad of properties that knife enthusiasts have chased for decades. Exceptional toughness to resist chipping under lateral stress, phenomenal edge retention that laughs at cardboard and rope, and a level of corrosion resistance that rivals dedicated marine-grade steels. Number 9. Kershaw Bareknuckle DuraLock. This model achieves something special. It successfully resurrects the legendary silhouette, sleek lines, and visceral DNA of the grail-worthy Zero Tolerance 0777, a collaboration knife that achieved near-mythical status among collectors, but injects it with the absolute best technology and materials of 2026. The most critical upgrade lives in the blade. It now features premium CPM MagnaCut steel. This modern super steel brings its now legendary, perfectly balanced triad of properties. Exceptional toughness to prevent chipping, phenomenal edge retention for long-lasting sharpness, and high corrosion resistance for worry-free maintenance, to a design that was once futuristic and now feels timeless. This cutting-edge performance is paired with a user-friendly and supremely robust DuraLock mechanism, a secure crossbar-style lock that allows for easy, one-handed opening and closing with a solid, satisfying feel. The Bareknuckle DuraLock is a fascinating conversation between generations of knife design. It offers longtime enthusiasts and collectors the soul, the aesthetic pleasure, and the tactile feel of a modern classic they may have coveted but never owned, now thoughtfully updated with the contemporary steel that defines today's highest performance standards. Number 8. Benchmade Bugout Taiga Green. The legend evolves. For 2026, Benchmade's iconic Bugout, the knife that revolutionized the concept of the ultra-light everyday carry, receives a stunning, purpose-built transformation that speaks directly to the heart of the outdoor enthusiast. This isn't a mere color swap. It's a thematic overhaul that cloaks this featherweight champion in the deep, immersive hues of the backcountry. The handle is now clad in Taiga Green Grivery, a color that captures the dense, serene essence of a northern boreal forest. This is paired masterfully with the blade's Macmillan Tan Cerakote finish, a rugged, ceramic-based coating that provides superior protection against corrosion, scratches, and wear, ensuring the knife looks ready for adventure long after it returns from one. The burnt copper anodized thumb studs provide the perfect accent, a touch of rugged elegance that ties the palette together. But beneath this exceptionally coordinated exterior lies a serious and upgraded performance core. The 3.24-inch drop-point blade is now crafted from Elmer's stainless steel. This is a high-end, powdered metallurgy steel celebrated for its outstanding combination of high wear resistance and excellent toughness. In practical terms, this means the blade will maintain a razor-sharp edge through demanding tasks like processing kindling, preparing food, or cutting rope, while its toughness resists the chipping and rolling that can plague harder, more brittle steels. Number 7. GiantMouse AC Elmer. This isn't merely a limited edition knife. It's a tangible tribute with a soul, named to honor Elmer, a veteran of the famed 36th Texas Infantry Division who saw the battlefields of World War II. It transforms personal history into a modern heirloom. This homage is executed with zero compromise, utilizing the absolute best of contemporary knife making. At its core is a graceful 3.2-inch slightly upswept blade, meticulously crafted from CPM Magna Cut. This steel represents the current pinnacle of metallurgy, offering an unparalleled balance of extreme edge retention for long-lasting sharpness, remarkable toughness to resist chipping, and high corrosion resistance for easy care. The blade's handsome stonewash finish provides a rugged, tactile character that proudly wears the marks of use. The automatic deployment is a mechanical marvel, consistently described by enthusiasts as buttery smooth, firing the blade open with a swift, authoritative, and deeply satisfying action that feels both powerful and precise. Offered with a choice of richly anodized blue or stealthy black aluminum handles, it provides a secure, comfortable grip. Number 6. CRKT Zero Crossbar Lock. CRKT performs a genuine magic trick in the knife world with the Sero, masterfully dismantling the barrier that often separates premium features from accessible price point. This sleek, no-nonsense folder is your definitive gateway into high-end knife mechanics, offering a taste of sophisticated performance without the traditionally intimidating luxury cost. Its foundation is a perfectly proportioned 3.02-inch straight-back blade, a profile cherished for its strength, control, and excellent piercing capability. This blade is crafted from S35VN steel, a legitimate super steel born from powdered metallurgy. This advanced material provides a phenomenal combination of exceptional edge retention, allowing it to slice through materials longer before needing a touch-up, good toughness to resist chipping, and surprising ease of resharpening compared to other premium steels. Number 5. Kershaw Lucha. This butterfly knife out of the movie scene and turns it into a legitimate precision cutting tool. Forget the cheap, rattling props. This is a fully realized, American-made Bali song built with a flipper in mind. Every detail is engineered for performance. The blade is crafted from Sandvik's 14C28N stainless steel, a formula exclusive to Kershaw that delivers a wickedly sharp, long-lasting, and corrosion-resistant edge, perfect for everything from food prep to outdoor tasks. But the magic is in the flip. Dual KVD ball bearing pivots make the action unbelievably smooth and fluid, allowing the blade to swing open with a satisfying, silent authority. The handles feature a rounded bevel, letting the knife roll effortlessly in your hand, while strategic cutouts provide essential grip without sacrificing that seamless flow. Kershaw even redesigned the latch to be rounded so it never catches during a trick, proving this isn't just a knife that can flip, it's a tool born from it. The Lucha bridges the gap between a captivating skill toy and a serious, usable blade, offering a taste of custom knife quality without the custom knife price. Number 4. Victorinox Pioneer X Alox Limited Edition 2026. The Swiss Army knife is an immortal legend in the gear world, but the 2026 limited edition Pioneer X in glacial blue Alox achieves something remarkable. It makes the timeless feel breathtakingly and urgently new. This release transcends a simple color swap. It is a holistic elevation of a perfect tool. The Pioneer X platform itself is arguably Victorinox's most masterfully balanced multi-tool design. It distills the absolute essentials: a razor-sharp main blade, supremely capable scissors, a combo bottle opener slash, can opener slash screwdriver, and a practical reamer slash punch, into a sleek, pocketable stainless steel frame that refuses to bulk out your pocket. For 2026, this masterpiece is clad in stunning, anodized aluminum scales in a mesmerizing, frost-toned glacial blue. Number 3. Case XXX Axe Handle Lockback. It, born from a collaboration with master maker Bill Ruppel, is defined by its ingenious and ergonomic design. Its name comes from the distinctive upward curve of the handles, which mimics the shape of an axe haft to provide a secure, comfortable grip. This curve is more than aesthetic. It strategically houses and protects the tail of the lock bar, creating a mechanism resistant to accidental unlocking and eliminating the need for a thumb cutout. This clever design gives the knife a mystery lock character, as it can appear at a glance to be a non-locking slip joint. It features a 3.46-inch clip point blade crafted from 154 cm stainless steel, known for excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The handle is available in premium materials like natural bird's eye maple, jig bone, or marbled carbon fiber, often featuring a sleek arrowhead shield. With a closed length of 4.4 inches and a weight of 4.21 ounces, it's a substantial yet pocketable tool. Number 2. Boker Atlas Series. For the user who demands sheer, no-nonsense utility, the Boker Atlas series is a focused breath of fresh air in a crowded market. These are super slim, minimalist folding knives engineered from the ground up to disappear completely, both in your pocket and in your budget. They are offered in 3 essential blade shapes: a versatile drop point for general tasks, a precise clip point for detail work, and a utilitarian sheep's foot for safe, powerful slicing. Each blade is crafted from reliable D2 tool steel, a high-carbon, high-chromium alloy known for its superior edge retention, ensuring the knife stays sharp through repeated use. The construction is refreshingly straightforward, built around a dependable liner lock and featuring a removable deep carry pocket clip for discreet, secure carry. With a lightweight build that emphasizes effortless, everyday presence, the Atlas is the pure definition of an always-there knife. Starting at a remarkably accessible price point under $60, the Atlas series delivers undeniable proof that effective, dependable everyday carry doesn't require complex mechanisms, aggressive styling, or a high price tag. It just needs honest, purpose-driven design and solid execution. Number 1. Cold Steel Frenzy 2. Forget everything you think you know about what a folder can handle. The Cold Steel Frenzy 2 isn't just an everyday carry. It's a pocket-sized crowbar disguised as a knife, built for the kind of outdoor abuse that would make other folders tap out. At its heart is a 3.5-inch sheep's foot blade forged from CPM 3V steel, a material legendary in the knife world for being almost indestructible, offering a level of toughness more commonly found in high-end survival axes. The sheep's foot shape is a stroke of genius here. It provides a massive amount of belly for powerful slicing and scraping, while the blunt, upswept tip makes it incredibly safe for high-force tasks like prying or battening wood, as it's almost impossible to accidentally stab yourself. Locked into place by Cold Steel's renowned triad lock, one of the strongest on the planet, and wrapped in a heavily textured G10 handle with deep finger grooves, this knife dares you to try and break it. This is the folder you buy when you need a fixed blade but want the convenience of pocket carry.